In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into X, formerly known as Twitter, using your Google account in 2025. This process is both simple and efficient, allowing you to streamline your login experience by using credentials you already have. By the end of this guide, you'll have seamlessly integrated your Google account with X, making sign-ins a breeze. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate your way to the X homepage, which you might still fondly refer to as the Twitter page. Simply open your preferred web browser on your device and type in the URL or search for X directly. Once you land on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't visited recently, as design updates happen fairly often. Now for the crucial part, instead of logging in using traditional credentials, you'll be utilizing your Google account, which offers a highly convenient single sign-on feature. On the homepage, locate the option that says Sign Up with Google. This option allows you to connect directly to your Google account, bypassing the need to remember another password. By clicking on Sign Up with Google, you're essentially creating a bridge between your Google identity and your X account. A window will pop up, prompting you to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you're already logged into multiple accounts, select the one you prefer, or if necessary, enter your login details for a new session. Remember, it's important to ensure that the Google account you're choosing to connect aligns with how you wish to present yourself on X. Consistency between your accounts can streamline both professional and personal communications online. Once you've selected your account or entered the required information, give it a moment. You'll briefly see a loading screen as the system securely exchanges information. After this step, you might be prompted to grant certain permissions. These permissions allow X and Google to communicate, and although they typically include basic access like your email and profile picture, it's always wise to review them to be fully aware of what you're agreeing to. If all is well and you've completed these steps correctly, you will find yourself seamlessly logged into X. At this point, you can start enjoying the full range of X's features, from tweeting and retweeting to following your favorite accounts and engaging with others. And just like that, folks, you've successfully signed into X using your Google account. You've now harnessed the power of modern login technology, simplifying your digital interactions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process clear and straightforward. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful tutorials.